Hello everyone, this is Aniket and in this video I will tell you how I started earning money in college and became financially independent, and post that I never took money from my parents, and how you can earn from the very first day of college. So I majorly earned money from three ways. Firstly, designing. So I used to have clients who wanted me to make some posters or YouTube thumbnails or banners, and I did that for them, and I was majorly using Canva. I offered premium plan for free to every student with the GitHub Student Developer Pack. So I was using that and was selling off the graphics and was earning some amount of money. Secondly, I was adding content. I was adding LinkedIn posts, Twitter posts, blogs for clients or companies accordingly, and they were paying me for that. And thirdly, which helped me earn quite amount of money when I was doing freelancing and I was giving end-to-end products consisting of graphics, the app and web along with content. So I approached client and said, hey, we are a group of 6 people who have expertise in app development, web development along with graphics and content. So in case you want your project to be an end-to-end solution, feel free to reach out to me and I will be giving you the best possible rate. And trust me, you will be getting some of the projects in this way. And remember, getting the first client is the most difficult part. So in case you are stuck, no worries, you keep on applying, and I will be sharing a video on how I got my first client. So make sure to subscribe the channel. So in case you have any other queries and if you want me to make related videos, let me know. All the best, be financially independent, and bye bye.